Here we are back with another episode of off-roading with the Honda CR-V. This time he's actually got all-wheel drive. I'm fucking guiding you, go that way, that way. Now back this way, now straight. Look like it.
What, did the back ones actually spin?
I couldn't see. I think it was that one on the other side spinning, but there's no way you would have made up that with just two-wheel drive.
Yeah, I think it was spinning, but I think I gotta do the LSD done to that side.
Yeah. Well, you made it up, but
yeah,
you gotta take a picture under the digger.
Yep.
You're good. Yeah.
So if I get bogged, you gotta do it because I'm not gonna keep putting mud in here.
Here we go again. Round 2. Forgot to record round 1 because I'm an idiot. But hopefully this time he makes it. This time he's got 4-wheel drive at least. Fucking sent the cunt.
Close.
Back up a little bit. Now send it forwards, forward left. There goes the bullbar.
Woo!
You made it.
I got it!
Where's the snake?
It's going on in the bush there.
Your bullbar looks a bit messed up.
Yep, bullbar's fucked.
Goodbye. Bullbar. We don't need a bullbar anyway, that's optional. Oh well.
What are you gonna do about that now?
Take it off. At least now you got a bit of ground clearance.
It makes it easy.
Yeah. There goes your bumper.
That was easy.